Using Go High Level is like jumping into the seat of a jet airplane. It can do so much and it's so powerful. But for a lot of people, I get it. It's almost too much. So, the one question that I get a lot is how do I just check for my emails? Let me start out by saying you've probably got two or three places that you're checking for email. You have your normal email, right? It might be your Gmail account. I call it like my personal email that I'm checking. Then I have my domain email, and the domain email is your business email. So you purchase this email package from, you might use GoDaddy, Google, or wherever you purchased your domain, you probably purchased a business email package and, $3 a month, $6, whatever. Now, you might use like Outlook to read your email. You can go on to your web. The internet and just go into webmail to read your mail, but all of that is your business email. Inside of your all-in-one marketing system, you have an email connected to this domain email. So the question that I get is, how do I check my emails? So anything that's connected with your funnels, your transactional emails, somebody's purchased something and you're sending them an email, or they've signed up for your newsletter, you're sending them emails every week. You do all of that inside of Go High Level. So let me share my screen and let me just show you how you can kind of quickly navigate to those emails. So I'm inside of someone's account here. Over here to the left, we have all of these different items. And up here near the top, if you go to conversations, now a conversation could be an email, it could be a text message. So any kind of interaction that happens with a client or a lead. All right. And then up here along the top, we have unread, we have recent. You can also star them or look at all of them. So, what I tell people to do when they're first kind of navigating their way inside of Go High Level is just pop over here to your conversations, go to all, and you can quickly scan. You can see the date of when that person emailed or reached out, or even the emails that the automations are generating and going out here. Okay. So then in the middle of the screen are the different summaries here. So it's showing that an email, I'm like one of his agents in his account here. So I'm getting notified of an email here saying, hey, Tyson just got a book pickup. Okay. And so then I can scroll up and down and I can see all of the details. Here's another email that somebody had filled out a form. And so now this email is just going out to them saying, hey, thanks a lot for the request. We'll get back in touch with you. Now, if somebody emailed, like hit reply and came back. So you'll just be able to follow the threads of conversations in here. So that's the first way. Now, you can also come over here to the left, click on contacts. And within the contacts, you can click on that person's name, and now this is everything connected with just that one person. And if there were emails, you would see here in the middle the thread of conversation. So you would, if you sent them an email talking about a new product you have, if they emailed back, if you emailed them again, and so forth. All right. So that's how you can find those things. Now, you can also, when we come down to marketing, and then come up here to the top where it says emails. This is where you would be sending out what we call like the campaign emails, or basically those email blast. All right. So you could create, and I've got another video someplace. I'll see if I can find the link, but you can create a campaign. So every week you email your list. So it's kind of like a newsletter, and then you can select who gets those. And then from those campaigns, you can actually look at the stats, how many got delivered, how many got opened, and all of that kind of stuff. So to go back to that original question, let me hide this, come back to you. So that original question again, how do I see the emails that are going out or emails that come to me? That conversation tab is the quickest, easiest way. And then just some of the other ways you can navigate around. So as always, if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. What other Go High Level trainings, videos would be helpful to you? Let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to do that. All right. Take care.